High Pressure Coolant Holder for HRSA Machining, KHP. Specialized machining has become possible in HRSA area with KHP, such as aerospace and aviation industries, marine structures, etc. KHP improves machinability of inserts, increasing cooling effect with high-pressure internal coolant injection system. Cutting oil is injected directly on the top and bottom of the insert, maximizing the cooling effect of the insert. It optimizes spray distance and position between the water clamp and insert, and maximizes spray area through jet orifice designed as oval. In addition, streamlined design of internal coolant passage minimizes loss of coolant pressure. KHP can be easily attached and detached through sliding fastening method, and the clamp is positioned in place to provide a uniform cooling effect. KHP improves HRSA machining life of insert up to 300% higher than competitors in the evaluation of wear resistance. In addition, notch wear, relief surface wear, and chipping resistance can also be improved. KHP improves the chip control by spraying the pressure of the cutting oil directly on the top of the insert and increases insert life, preventing scratch of high-priced workpiece by long chips. The increased cooling effect through KHP prevents accidental breakage of inserts from severe heat shock and work hardening phenomenon, and protects the insert cutting edge from heat-resisting alloy. KHP offers 3 types of customer convenience. There is a straight structure, which is easy to connect, and simple structure, and a benjo-type structure that can secure space from the workplace. High Pressure Coolant Holder for HRSA Machining, KHP.